Keto Matcha Blue is a delicious and nutritious drink that is gaining popularity among health enthusiasts. This drink is a combination of two powerful ingredients, matcha and blue spirulina, which are known for their numerous health benefits. Matcha is a type of green tea that is ground into a fine powder and has been used in traditional Japanese tea ceremonies for centuries. Blue spirulina is a type of blue-green algae that is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Together, these two ingredients create a powerful superfood that can provide a wide range of health benefits. In this script, we will discuss the benefits of Keto Matcha Blue and how to make it at home. We will also explore the scientific research behind matcha and blue spirulina and how they can improve our health. How to make Keto Matcha Blue. Now that we have discussed the benefits of Keto Matcha Blue and the scientific research behind matcha and blue spirulina, let's talk about how to make this delicious and nutritious drink at home. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon matcha powder, 1 teaspoon blue spirulina powder, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, half a teaspoon vanilla extract, stevia or sweetener of your choice, optional. Instructions: heat the almond milk in a small saucepan over medium heat until it comes to a simmer. Remove from heat and whisk in the matcha powder, blue spirulina powder, coconut oil, and vanilla extract until smooth and well combined. If desired, add sweetener of your choice and whisk until fully incorporated. Pour the mixture into a blender and blend until frothy and well combined. Pour into a glass and enjoy. Conclusion: Keto Matcha Blue is a delicious and nutritious drink that is packed with health benefits. The combination of matcha and blue spirulina provides a powerful dose of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can improve energy, focus, weight loss, immune function, and heart health. With the recipe provided, it's easy to make Keto Matcha Blue at home and enjoy all the benefits of this superfood drink. Part 1. Benefits of Keto Matcha Blue. 1.1. Boosts energy and focus. Matcha contains a unique combination of caffeine and L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and reduces stress. This combination provides a sustained release of energy and helps improve focus and concentration. Blue spirulina also contains a variety of vitamins and minerals, including iron, which is essential for energy production. 1.2. Enhances weight loss. Keto Matcha Blue is a great addition to any weight loss program. Matcha contains a compound called EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, that has been shown to boost metabolism and increase fat burning. Blue spirulina is also known to promote weight loss by reducing appetite and improving digestion. 1.3. Supports immune function. Blue spirulina is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect the body from harmful free radicals and support a healthy immune system. Matcha also contains a variety of antioxidants, including catechins and polyphenols, which have been shown to boost immune function. 1.4. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to many chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Matcha and blue spirulina are both known to have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body and prevent these diseases. 1.5. Supports heart health. Both matcha and blue spirulina have been shown to support heart health by reducing blood pressure, lowering cholesterol levels, and improving circulation. Matcha contains a compound called catechins, which can help prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries, while blue spirulina is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Part 2. Scientific research on matcha and blue spirulina. 2.1. Matcha. Matcha has been the subject of numerous scientific studies over the years, and the research has shown that it can provide a wide range of health benefits. Here are some of the key findings. Weight loss. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming green tea extract, which contains high levels of EGCG like matcha, can increase fat oxidation and boost metabolism, leading to weight loss. Brain function. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that consuming matcha can improve cognitive function, including attention, reaction time, and memory. Heart health. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming green tea, which contains catechins like matcha, can help reduce blood pressure and lower cholesterol levels, both of which are important for heart health. 2.2. Blue spirulina. Blue spirulina is a relatively new superfood, and there is not as much scientific research on it as there is on matcha. However, the studies that have been done suggest that blue spirulina can provide numerous health benefits. Here are some of the key findings. Antioxidant properties. Blue spirulina is rich in antioxidants, including phycocyanin, which can help protect the body from harmful free radicals and prevent oxidative stress. Anti-inflammatory properties. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that spirulina can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is a major contributor to many chronic diseases. Immune function. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that spirulina can help boost immune function by increasing the production of antibodies and natural killer cells. Cholesterol. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Science and Vitaminology found that spirulina can help lower cholesterol levels in the blood, which is important for heart health. Like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.